So I'm here in the Merriam-Webster Learner's Dictionary, and I'll put this link in the lesson. But I like this dictionary because the definitions are a little bit simpler than the Bid College Dictionary if you're looking for the meaning of a word. So, for example, one of the words that we were looking at was coaxed, okay? So I'm going to type in coaxed here into my line and hit search. And then if we look back at the story, the sentence said, he talked to them, rubbed them down, and coaxed them until they did as they were told. So when we look up a definition, a lot of times there's going to be different definitions, and you have to use your context clues and figure out which one is going to work the best. Now, the base word here is coax, and it's a verb. And it says to influence or persuade a person or animal to do something by talking in a gentle and friendly way. It says it took almost an hour to coax the cat down from the tree. All right. Well, that makes sense because we're talking about an animal. And I can look at these other definitions, but I think that this first definition is going to be the closest to what we're looking for. Okay. Actually, down here I see coaxed. So we actually have not just the base word, we have the past tense. He coaxed the fire to burn by blowing on it. But here it says to influence a person or animal to do something. So you're trying to get somebody to do something in a gentle and friendly way. So on that piece of paper next to coaxed, you'd put tried, because it's past tense, tried to get someone to do something by talking in a gentle and friendly way. Okay, and in this case, it's an animal. So you could say, trying to get an animal to do something by talking in a gentle and friendly way. All right, so great, coaxed. Now, hit pause if you need to so you can finish getting that written down on your paper. Now you're going to do the same thing with straggly and yearling. You're going to type them in here, find a simple definition that you understand, and write it down in the Learner's Dictionary. Now what I'm going to do, you can go ahead and hit pause while you do that. Actually, you'll need your computer, so you can't hit pause. You're going to have to do that after. Okay. But we're going to look up Melbourne Cup. And since Melbourne Cup is a proper noun, I highly doubt that it is going to be in our Learner's Dictionary. Nope, it's not. So what you need to do in that case, when you have a proper noun that's not going to be in your dictionary, let's go to a new tab. Just type it right into Google. Melbourne Cup. And you know what you can always do in a search is put for kids. Okay, that is always going to give you a more simple definition. And I look here and I've got Melbourne Cup facts for kids. Well, let's click on it and see what we have. Oh, look at this. The Melbourne Cup is Australia's major horse race. It happens once a year. People say it is the race that stops a nation. It is for horses 3 years old and over, and it is 3,200 meters long. That's the metric system. Anyway, you're going to finish reading about the Melbourne Cup and write a few things down on your paper about the Melbourne Cup and Well, there's an example of the actual trophy that is a cup. So now you know a little bit. Oh, there's more that you can read down here too. And some pictures. So look at that. Learn a little more about the Melbourne Cup. If you decide to write more facts on your paper, if you want to do a little simple report about the Melbourne Cup, then I will pay you some class money to do that for going above and beyond. So read through this and get your definitions done. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.